Hello, my name is Ian Olandit, Technical Consultant at the HPE Customer Innovation Center. In this video, I will show an example of Edge-to-Cloud project based on real-life data stream. A few time ago, our CEO declared about HPE.
We're going to become the Edge-to-Cloud platform as a service company.
Let's see a concrete example. Edge-to-Cloud means data pipeline. The data are captured and possibly enriched at the edge before being streamed in real time using a pipeline technology. As a consumer of this pipeline, HPE Intelligent Storage stores these data, allowing analytics activities thanks to HPE servers. Finally, part of the dataset can be sent back and forth to the cloud using HPE Cloud Volumes. The edge part of this demonstration was covered in another video. Look for it in the HPE demonstration portal. Today, we will focus on the core and the cloud part of the architecture. HPE servers are connected as consumers to a series of Kafka streams. The streams ship data sent by the aircrafts flying around Geneva. Some streams are raw data providing the instant position or speed of an aircraft. Another stream contains enriched data providing specific information related to the aircraft. The data coming from the streams are transformed and loaded using Logstash into an Elasticsearch NoSQL database. The volume of data loaded is significant. The graphic here shows the number of records loaded into a single index during the last 15 minutes. If we expand the time frame to the last 30 days, we can see that more than 19 million of records were loaded. For this specific index, the daily peak of activity is around 500,000 of records. As of the day we record this video, the amount of records for the multiple indexes is approaching 200 million. This NoSQL indexes are spread over a HPE Nimble array and 2 Apollo servers for tiering purposes. HPE Nimble Storage delivers an industry-leading customer experience. It transforms operations with artificial intelligence, AI, that predicts and prevents disruptions and self-optimizes application performance and resources. In our architecture, it serves the hot data. HPE Apollo Server is an intelligent data storage platform purpose-built for unstructured data, big data analytics, backup and archive, and other data storage-intensive workloads. This is the ideal component for storing our warm and long-term cold data. The data collected are analyzed and broadcasted real-time into a dashboard. Here, we have a view of the airplane activity around Geneva for the last 15 minutes. The color indicate the altitude of the aircraft. The darker, the higher. One can get detailed information about a specific aircraft. For instance, an Airbus, operated by British Airways, is flying at 32,000 feet of altitude. The tag clouds visual representation indicate the aircraft operators and manufacturers met in the Geneva sky over the past 15 minutes. Other information like average speed and altitude, traffic evolution over the time are also available in the data visualization dashboard. Finally, a subset of the data is replicated, in batch mode, to the cloud using HPE Cloud Volumes. HPE Cloud Volumes serves the need for enterprise data protection, hybrid and multi-cloud storage services. These services fully supports your multi-directional edge, on-premises and cloud migration strategies. Experience cloud-like agility, scalability and innovation with security, fast deployment and pay-as-you-go flexibility. HPE Cloud Volumes Block is a multi- and hybrid cloud service for storing and managing your data. This data can be attached dynamically to various cloud compute providers without vendor lock-in and egress costs. The replication starts from the Nimble array, where a volume is associated to a collection which is daily replicated to the cloud. The pace of the replication is freely defined based on the project need. Replicated volume is available as a block volume and is presented to an AWS EC2 instance. Prior to the presentation, A connection between HPE Cloud Volumes and the AWS account was set up. From the AWS console, one accesses the Resources dashboard. In the EC2 tab, the instance where the HPE Cloud Volume block is presented, is up and running. Once connected to the EC2 instance, the Cloud Volume is mounted in /CV directory. Listing the content of this directory, we can find a daily extract in CSV format. Using CSV cut, one can browse the activity data exported from the core production database. To summarize, we have seen first the data streams, loading data into the HPE Intelligent Storage built on HPE Nimble and Apollo servers. Then, we have seen the analytics service as well as the data visualization dashboard running on ADL 385 Gen 10. Finally, we've seen how to export a dataset to a cloud AWS environment thanks to HPE Cloud Volumes. This concludes the technical overview of an edge-to-cloud implementation example. If you want to know more, request a customer briefing into the HPE CIC or look for some other demonstration in the HPE demonstration portal. Thank you for watching.